A French media outlet has reported that Pakistan Air Force lost more than a dozen aircraft, but there was a complete failure in strategic communication by the Indian Air Force, which has allowed Pakistan to shape the narrative despite its battlefield setbacks. Prime Minister Modi has told US President Donald Trump during a 35-minute telephonic conversation that there was no third-party involvement in ceasefire talks between India and Pakistan, and that during entire operation against Pakistan, there were no discussions at any level on India-US trade deal, or any mediation by the US for ceasefire between India and Pakistan. PM Modi also told Trump that India has never accepted mediation, and will never accept it in the future, and that India no longer sees terrorism as a proxy war, but as an act of war. US President Donald Trump will host Pakistan Army's Field Marshal at the White House for a closed-door lunch. Pakistan is secretly aiding US military intelligence by allowing American aircraft like E-11A Battlefield Airborne Communications Node and RQ-4B Global Hawk to fly missions targeting Iran's strategic defenses. Iran has shot down an Israeli Hermes 900 drone, and has also claimed to have shot down a fourth Israeli F-35 fighter jet. Even after 4 days, a Royal Air Force F-35B Lightning II fighter jet still remains grounded at the Trivandrum airport due to hydraulic system issues. The Ministry of Defense is all set to clear the proposal for an advanced satellite-guided version of smart anti-airfield weapon that offers a range of over 100 kilometers. Solar Industries has developed a non-nuclear explosive known as SEBEX 2 that is 2 times more powerful than TNT. Cyprus officials have said that Cyprus will encourage more port calls by Indian warships and explore opportunities for joint naval exercises and training. Indian firm Wintel Labs has delivered indigenous kamikaze drones to the Indian Army. Helina anti-tank guided missile has entered the low-rate initial production phase, and Hindustan Aeronautics is gearing up to conduct trials of the Helina from the Prachand light combat helicopter. Bharat Forge and French company Turgis Scalard have signed a memorandum of understanding to offer the Aarok UAV to the Indian Armed Forces that can carry 1.5 tons of weapons and has an endurance of 24 hours and a service ceiling of 30,000 feet. The structural assembly of the first Tejas Mark II prototype is under progress at Hindustan Aeronautics, but latest reports indicate that the rollout of the prototype that was delayed from December 2023 to December 2024, and later to October 2025 to December 2025, has now further been delayed to 2026. The Indian Ministry of Defense is planning to replace the current 760 horsepower American-made Cummins engine on the Zorawar light tank prototype with a more powerful 1000 horsepower Cummins advanced combat engine to enhance the tank's performance in mountainous regions. The Indian Navy has made a strategic decision to bypass the 110 km range Astra Mark I missile, opting instead for the 160 km range Astra Mark II missile for its newly ordered 26 Rafale Marine and existing MiG-29K fighters. Safran has launched an evolution of the M88 engine at the Paris Air Show, called the M88 T-Rex, that will be compatible with the future F5 standards of the Rafale, and its thrust has been increased to 90 kN with afterburner. That presents itself as a good alternative to much delayed American F414 for the Tejas Mark II program. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.